Here we are at the lower falls at Graveyard Field. It's a very foggy morning. Maybe you can barely see the falls. Now we are at the upper falls at Graveyard Field. A nice rock cascading falls. Still a foggy day, but I hope you can see this. Okay, here we are along the Graveyard Fields trail. It's still foggy, but our group is still walking. This section of the trail is just loaded with St. John's wort. Really a nice boardwalk along this area. Nice bridge across the creek here. This is another outstanding place here to hike.
Even spiders like it.
Mm-hmm. It's great. Here we are headed up toward Black Balsam Knob. Even though it's foggy today, we're seeing the fog moving around. You can see it blowing across the ridge here. Maybe, I don't know, it may not show up on this video, but things are brightening up a little bit. See a balsam tree here, and over here we're going to see a mountain ash full of berries. Here we are a little further up the trail. I'll just show you the terrain here. All the black balsam trees. Now we're standing on the summit of Black Balsam Knob. Unfortunately, we're still fogged in pretty much. We see the fog blowing across, but it's still a wonderful place to visit. There's the marker on the top honoring Art Loeb. Normally you can look out and see Mount Pisgah and just layers of mountains and looking glass rock. Just walking across the top of Black Balsam Knob. A little unlevel footing at times. Shakes the camera. This mountain peak is 6,220 feet or so, as I remember. The marker doesn't say anymore. The next mountain over is Tennant Mountain, and it's over 6,000 feet also. Another great day for a hike. Coming down the trail from Black Balsam. The fog is lifted up a little bit. You can see a little bit more. Still a little obscured, but it's gradually looking better. With our luck, on the way home it'll be perfectly clear when we're in the car. Still a great day for a hike though. Now we can actually look across and see the Blue Ridge Parkway heading across that mountain. And this is looking back up on Black Balsam Knob. One more look near Black Balsam Knob. Blue Ridge Parkway on the mountain. Black Balsam Knob again. There's a balsam tree. And we walk on the rock. It's really quite pretty. Okay kids, here's our science experiment today. We were just up on Black Balsam Knob with an elevation of 6,200 feet. While we were there, we took our water bottle, emptied it, and put a cap on the bottle and tightened it as tight as it go, airtight. And now we're going to drive back to Toccoa, Georgia, which has an elevation of around 1,000 feet. And we're going to see what the bottle looks like when we get back. What do you think? Is it going to look the same? Is it going to puff up larger? Or is it going to look smaller or flatter? We will show you momentarily. Here we are back in Toccoa, Georgia. The elevation is around 1,000 feet instead of over 6,000 feet. And you see our bottle. So there is your answer to the question. The bottle is squished in due to the higher atmospheric pressure here at the lower elevation. A neat little